Hey guys, so today we are diving into the layers panel in Silhouette Studio. Now, I know layers can seem a little confusing at first, but once you understand how they work, they're gonna make your life so much easier. Trust me on this one. So let's get started. To begin with, locate the layers panel on the right side. You'll usually find it sitting near the bottom corner. However, if it's not visible right away, don't worry. Just click the expansion toolbar and select the layers panel. Now, to recognize it easily, look for the two overlapping panels icon. Once found, go ahead and click to open it. As soon as it opens, all your auto-generated layers will appear. Silhouette Studio neatly organizes them for you. At first, these layers won't have any names attached, but later you can customize them however you like. Along with that, you will see lock and visibility controls. These become very helpful during detailed designs. Interestingly, the very first layer displays your file title. It works as the main folder for your design. Now, to check or hide layers, use the eye icon. With one click, it hides and another brings it back. Moreover, selecting a layer highlights its object on the canvas. This helps you instantly identify connected elements. If an object keeps shifting while you work, don't get frustrated. Simply lock its layer using the lock icon. Whenever you need it again, just unlock it. A single click on the lock icon does the job. Moving ahead, to create a new layer, right-click on the main heading. Then choose Add Layer from the menu. If a layer is no longer needed, right-click on it, then select Delete Layer to remove it. After that, you might want to rename your layers. Simply right-click and choose Rename Layer. Finally, once everything is set, head to the Send panel. From the Layers tab, you can cut layer by layer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.